This is video number 1 in my Imagine This creativity series. This exercise is a way to calm your brain, relax your brain for the day, relax your heart, relax your stomach. There's so much news that's not good every day that I think we have to find ways, and I'm certainly doing that, finding ways to start the day with a quieter inside. I think it lends itself to greater creativity, but also just more peace in the day. So I invite you to take these 8 breaths with me. As you take your breath, you will have thoughts going through your mind. And as you see the wind blowing behind me, you just let your thoughts blow away. 8 breaths. We'll start now. Number 1, I'm breathing in. You say to yourself, I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. 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 I'm letting the thoughts just wave by me, whatever thoughts come. Now, with these last 4 breaths, it's going to be more healing. I'm letting my brain relax. I'm letting my stomach relax. I'm letting my heart relax. Now I'm checking my state. I'm definitely quieter. And maybe 2 things. I'm open to more creative ideas for my day because every day takes creativity. And maybe I've given my throat as a singer, my head, my heart, and my stomach. And perhaps you can say these things too. I've given them a rest, a quiet beginning to the day. I wish you a great day. I hope to see you here again soon. Bye bye.